Hi, I'm back on another video. If you want to see how I made this QR code Canva business card, stay tuned.
I've been the same, ain't she changed? This ain't nothing new. That pretty frame, diamond chain, what the fuck it do? Yo, clear the way, it's some bad bitches coming through.
Hey guys, so this is going to be a business information video. Now I am going to a content creator event and I have business cards on hand, but I wanted to make a mobile QR one for people to scan in my phone. So we are going to be using the app called Canva. It's a popular app. Now on this app, they do have business cards that you can create. So I pick this template. I love the color scheme. So I'm just going to be changing stuff on the template and moving stuff around. As I said before to you guys in the beginning of the video, I'm going to a content meetup. So I just wanted to network and have business cards ready. I have paper business cards. So if I do run out, I will also have mobile QR codes. These codes that I have on my phone, QR codes, are very essential for the businesses where you can actually scan, like how you scan a menu in a restaurant, you can actually scan the QR code and you can get all the social media links or whatever QR code option you have on your business card. And this is just me following the template. I'm just clearing everything out and filling my own information in. So I did the picture, my name, I put content creator because this is going to be just specifically for this event. I am going to put just editing everything at the moment. So this is what you see here as me editing and going through everything, just correcting everything. I'm actually going to tweak and creatively make my own business card in a certain way. So just watch me do it. So on Canva, they do have an option where you can get a QR code. You can choose your QR code picture. Once you choose your QR code picture, it will ask you to enter a URL. So for the first URL we are doing, we're going to actually enter my Instagram and we're going to paste it on there. That's one of my popular social medias that I'm on and where I actually met up with some of these people and found the flyer. So this is the first QR code that I'm going to be setting up for my business card. So I am just adjusting everything and moving everything over to make space for this QR code. So I removed everything except for my email. This is my business email where I get all of my brand deals or brands reach out to me or anybody reach out to me regarding my content. So I'm just going to adjust the QR code as I did before and do it size to my liking. I actually love this layout, especially with these bars. So I'm going to actually move this bar in the middle. I'm just trying to, give a whole different feel of the business card. So how you seen it earlier is going to be completely different after I change and move everything around. So I did the same for the other side. I did a QR code for my business Instagram and information. So that's what I'm actually setting up now. And I'm going to make it to the point where they are complementing each other basically diagonally. I don't know. I'm just seeing whatever works for my eye. I'm going to set this card up to my liking. Now, once you do all of that, you can save it on Canva. It's going to save to your Canva roll, and then you can also share the design. And this is just an easy way to set up a business card. This is the finished product. Easy, simple. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next video.
2 F's like the letters that are on my shoe. One time bust a shot for my champion girls. Tell them guys super size me a combo.